Learning with Zachary and Zayden. Zachary loves trains. Can you help Zachary count the trains? Let's give it a try. How many trains do you see? How many trains did you count? 6. There were 6 trains. Good job. How many trains do you see this time? How many trains did you count? Well, there were 11 trains. Good job. How many trains are there on this one? Did you count the trains? If so, you should know there are 9 trains. Good job. How many trains do you see in this one? This is the biggest yet. Did you count them all? There were 15 trains. Wow, good job. You sure are good at counting trains. See you later, my smart friend.